Welcome, guys and girls, to R44 Performance. Today we have Barry's M3 Touring behind me. This car has been in this workshop for many weeks, many hours, many days, but it's a really cool car. It is a full spec G81 M3, an early one, 2023. It's got the CS M4 headlights, got full MHC suite, Alpha N, CSF, Stage 2 Plus, wicked car. Been driving it for some time. It's now time to add some just random more mods. He loves it. Barry just loves the catalog, enjoying it, spending on it, and enjoying the process. And we enjoy Barry's custom to give us opportunities to do new things that we actually want to do on our car and is coming to our car, but we like to do things in a rush just before we need to do them before we go to a track day. So today's video is going to be about the MMX diff accessories. So let's go back to the bench over there and we'll go through one of the the mother part of the kind of assembly that we have today, and then we'll go into some of the other parts in more detail. In drag racing of the S58 cars, M3, M2, M4, there's a big issue with the differentials. Right, I don't know when this video goes live, but if this is after Texas 2K, which starts on the 17th of March, there'll be some really cool stuff coming from the diff game in the G8X game in general, and we're doing a lot of F8X diff stuff as well, which I'm excited for, and it's all about diff cooling, making sure those diffs run cooler so they don't go through as much stress, and then they feel nicer when you're on the track. So this is MMX's diff sump that has increased, I guess, viscosity within the fins, which, you know, more surface area, more reduction of heat, or more access to it. And I think it has a little bit extra space inside as well, maybe for fluids, but I'm not too sure. All I care about is they have it in and out, so you can run an oil feed pump, so you can put a pump in a line, go through a radiator and pump it back in, which is cool. So that's something that we're doing on the F platform at the moment, and to think that we can do it on a G87 one day, oh my God, I've got such an amazing idea. We have a G87 1500 horsepower race car that goes through a lot of torque issues. We put on a huge diff brace once upon a time, and it's been great. And MMX have developed something that's more street worthy, so it's not as aggressive as what we run, and we're going to show you that now. And then some diff kind of cooling plates as well to keep the drive shafts cool. So yeah, some cool stuff to come, but when we're installing this today, we're going to use MMX's like blanking bits. We've got this little feed thing, I don't know what it is. Some other stuff for the crown gear, I guess. OEM sealant, so this is made by Loctite for BMW, and then some BMW fluids. All available on the R44 website, of course.
So straight off the bat, you can see the size difference. This stock diff sump has a capacity for 1 litre of oil, whereas the MMX has an upgraded 2 litres. So not only is that bigger, but there's more oil in the diff, so that means dissipate the heat better throughout the oil. As well as the stock diff sump is made from a cast aluminium, whereas the MMX diff sump is made from a billet aluminium. That also means that the heat can dissipate better through the MMX diff sump than the stock one, and it also means this one is a lot stronger.
So the guys have put this on now. It looks quite cool, actually. We've just been learning a lot about it. So some fresh knowledge about this, increased cooling, and we can get an extra litre into the actual diff assembly, into the sump. So that's quite cool. So now it goes from a 1 litre sump to a 2 litre, which is cool. We've also got the bracket on there now, and then you need the additional bush. So the bracket gives you the access to install an additional bush. Very common on an F80 M3, F82, this bush blows out. This bush is actually a PowerFlex F80 G80 bush, right? We offer you OEM ones or Powerflex. We obviously go for Powerflex because you might as well spend a bit and upgrade of such, which is cool. So that braces it back there, braces the diff. What happens on a high powered drag car, the pinion gear snaps, tends to be, locks up the diff, breaks your carbon fiber drive shaft. So that's what this is kind of preventing. And then you also get this machine bracket. So machine bracket, which is here, and this allows you to install it to the OEM. So this would go something like that. So if you don't have to buy the big sump, you can just buy the support, and that's what I recommend. If you're doing any track days, you're doing any drag stuff, get the support on it, it's well worth it. And then these heat shields are just protecting the exhaust system away from the drive shafts, because a lot of cars on track days, doing loads of track all day long, the heat that goes into the drive shaft starts causing problems. So these are a nice little mod just to kind of absorb some of the heat and put it back into the kind of diff sump. Charlie just mentioned that the OEM exhaust does have some heat shielding, and that's kind of allowed obviously BMW to do all their testing and approve the vehicle, whereas aftermarket, everybody's just got rid of it. So MMX has done us all a number that we can run a nice exhaust system with these. So if you're not looking to fully send it, I'd say get some of these installed if you're looking to use the car, and a diff support bracket. So this is just a little bit overkill, but it depends on what you're using it for. So yeah, super cool. All done and dusted, get it all torqued up, marked up. Now I can install the exhaust system and yeah, drive it up, see what it runs like.
So that is it. As you can see above me, the G81 diff kit has now been installed. And while I was away, because I've been away for a couple of days, the team have fitted the drive shaft covers, obviously the diff sump that you would have seen, as well as the diff brace with the upgraded Powerflex bush as well. So that is it for the MMX diff kit. I just want to go over the car a bit more, because why have we not seen more of this customer's car on the channel, on the social media? But it needs to be documented. We have a full titanium R44 exhaust, just something light, just to start off. Then we've got the KW V3s. We've also got Suspension Secrets tow arms coming to the exterior and more so of the performance parts. I don't know if you can see up there. Full carbon ceramics all around. A full set of Vossen wheels, because it just wasn't enough, you know, just having the OEM ones. We had to go Vossens. Now we've got the car lower down. We have the Alpha N carbon wings, the Alpha N carbon body, and you're not seeing that. Look at the paint. Look how the paint fades into the carbon. This build is actually insane. We need to do a full sort of recap of what's been done to the car. But just to go over it quickly, we've got the snake eyes as well, full carbon front end, carbon side skirts. And obviously I'm not doing it justice right now, but we have the carbon steering wheel. We have the carbon sort of guards on the seats. We've got carbon on the center console. Like everything is carbon. I'll hopefully get some overlays here to show you just how nice this looks out and about with the interior full carbon spec. And let me just get the bonnet open, I'll show you under there as well. And here we have the heart of the build, the full carbon engine bay. Just look at this. We've got the downstars, we've got the ram air intakes, we've got the golden wrench caps, then we have the signature cutout piece for the CSF charge caller. We're coming to the end of this build because I could go on for absolutely days about the spec of this car. We've obviously got the carbon wing, but one wasn't enough. The customer needed more. We've got a double rear carbon wing, the carbon rear diffuser. Like this, the list goes on and on, as you can imagine. But that is it for this week's YouTube video. If you have enjoyed it, if you do want the MMX kit, links in the bio, check it all out. Get on the website and get you some more parts like Barry here. But we'll see you on the next one.